What's up, My House TV? Hey, man. Hey, I want to apologize for our comments being disabled. We didn't do that personally on our videos. You'll probably see on our newest video that the comments are not disabled. YouTube is cracking down on a lot of stuff to make YouTube safe for younger kids, especially like all the comments and stuff like that. I haven't really been getting any nasty comments in mine, but I'm sure other YouTubers have been. Not every YouTuber comments are disabled, but mine is. So I noticed that. So what I did a little research and I figured out how to fix the problem. All right. So if your YouTube channel comments are disabled, I'm going to take you through some steps and you'll be able to redo those so your fans can start back coming in on your videos. All right, here we go. All right, so first what you want to do, sorry, I don't know how to do that, put the thing on the screen, me talk at the same time with me, my face with the video. I don't know how to do all that. All right, so what you want to do, you want to go to your creative studio. But first, let me show you what my videos are doing to show you what I'm talking about. So if I go to my channel, alright, I'm getting to my channel, alright, and I want to go down to my videos. Go down to my videos. Because I already fixed some of them. So let me go to one that's not fixed. Hit to my, I could have went to videos up here. Could click that too. So I fixed a lot of those. And let me see. Go down to the one I didn't fix. Alright, I didn't fix this one. So it's gonna suck because you have to go through all your videos and you have to do all of them like that. But I'll show you how to do that. Alright. So if I scroll down, let me fix my camera a little bit. Alright. So if I scroll down, and it said comments are disabled for this video. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fix that real quick. Alright, so you want to go to your Creative Studio. So click on that, go to Creative Studio. Alright, once that loads up, you want to come over here to Video Manager. Click on that Video Manager. Alright, and once that goes, it's going to be some boxes on this side here. So you want to click the boxes of the videos that you want to do. So like I said, I did all those videos. So I stopped at this one here. So like I said, you seen it said disabled. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on all these because all these are disabled now. Alright, so the easiest way to do, I mean, you have videos on each page. All you have to do is click this, so you have to click each individual box. So just click this right here. Okay, then go right here to action. Alright, then you want to go down here to more actions. Click on more actions. Then you want to go over here to comments. Alright, you'll click on comments. Alright, so if you scroll down, the ones that you clicked on should be already clicked. And all you have to do is make sure that circle or that box right here is clicked on that says allow all comments, okay? And then you'll just hit submit. Alright. And then make sure you hit this understand box. And then hit yes to submit. Alright, and then what that's gonna do, it's gonna edit that. And then I'm gonna show you that it is fixed, alright? Alright, so now that it is done, it says I have 5 videos that successfully updated. Okay, let's go back here and let's go to here and let's go to my channel. I know it's another way you can do it, but I don't know. Alright, let's scroll down, let's find that video, go to my videos. Alright, let's find that video. And it will be this one. Let's click on that. Alright, let's stroll on down and see if people can comment now. And there's all my old comments, and people can actually comment now. So like I said last time, it said it was disabled. So like I said, all you have to do is follow those steps, and you will get all your comments back, and new comments can be commented on those videos. Alright people, so hopefully that answered your question. Hopefully that fixed your channels, that people could actually get back to your videos and they can comment, because those comments are valuable to our videos and our channel. You know, I had a couple people hit me up and was like, well, they actually hit me up on my Instagram. So hey, if you want to follow us on Instagram, it's myhouse_TV. They hit me up and was like, hey, you know, I really loved your video, but I couldn't comment anything. So, you know, like I said, I did some research and I figured out that YouTube is cracking down on some things. So I kind of was playing with it, and I kind of figured out how to do it. So like I said, follow those steps and you can get your comments back. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You know, even if you don't watch our videos, hey, please hit that subscribe button for us. You know, that'll be very helpful. Please let your kids, hey, if you got kids that watch family channels, that's our channel. Hey, have them watch our family channel. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, all right? All right, see y'all next time on My House TV. Peace.